This is my wallet. It's got my cash, my credit cards, and my trusty Metro card. And this is my crypto hardware wallet. It's the size of a USB flash drive and it contains my cryptocurrency. My name is Jeremy, and today I'm going to show you how to get set up and ready to store and trade your coins. This one is a doozy, so I'll have timestamps in the description in case you want to skip some of the basics. Now, when it comes to crypto, there are different levels of security. You have a hot wallet like Metamask, a hardware wallet like this Ledger, and cold storage like myetherwallet.com. Now, of course, I'm not sponsored by anyone, and I bought this Ledger Nano S with my own money in 2017. It's held up since then, so I would recommend it, but there are plenty other hardware wallets by brands like Trezor, for example. It's important for you to do your own research, but I highly recommend a hardware wallet in general because it protects you and your investments. In order to do any transactions from this type of wallet, the wallet needs to be plugged into your computer, and you need to authorize any transactions that are made with it. On top of that, you need to key in a key code in order to activate it anytime you use it. I would consider a hardware wallet the sweet spot for security and ease of use. One of your other options is to use a hot wallet like MetaMask, for example, to store your crypto and make transactions. Other hot wallets include Coinbase Wallet, Exodus, and Trust Wallet. These type of wallets are usually browser extensions, which are super easy to use and convenient. You set one up by entering a unique seed phrase, which is like the master key to your money. They are password protected, but can fall prey to vulnerabilities since your browser is connected to the internet. For example, if you click a phishing link, hackers might be able to gain access to your browser, and if your wallet is still logged in, they can facilitate transactions and essentially steal from your wallet. If you take the proper precautions, like never ever giving out your seed phrase or losing it, then this type of wallet is fine. It's always best to be cautious and try not to click any suspicious links or links from people you don't know. With all the security stuff out of the way, a hot wallet is very convenient because if you're trying to make a trade happen very quickly or buy that coveted NFT before someone else does, you can do it a lot quicker than plugging in your hardware wallet, entering the password, and confirming the transactions, which can be slow going if you're typing on a tiny USB stick. Often, once people complete their trades or purchases, they will transfer those assets to their hardware wallet, which can act like a vault. Speaking of vaults, there's one step further you can take to protect your assets, but this is like extra credit. You can set up a cold wallet on myetherwallet.com where you physically write down the credentials on a piece of paper, and only anyone with those credentials can have access to the wallet. The good thing about this is it's impossible to hack unless someone takes that paper from you. The bad news is if you lose that piece of paper, you lose access to that wallet forever. You won't believe how much Ethereum and Bitcoin is lost to the world because of people losing their private keys. Shifting gears a bit, we want to get you up and trading as quickly and safely as possible. Just a few housekeeping things. I like to use Zapper Finance, not sponsored, to monitor all my holdings. You can even bundle multiple wallets there, and it even shows you the value of your NFTs, although the information it shows from that is pretty rudimentary and still being worked on. The dashboard you get to monitor your finances is clean and shows what's in your wallet, what you're staking, how much yield you've farmed, how much you've borrowed or lent, and how much you've deposited into vaults. It's like a one-stop shop to see all your platforms and protocols in one place. So if you want to swap your Ethereum for other coins, you can use platforms such as SushiSwap or Uniswap to do so. These are both platforms that are designed to exchange one coin for another relatively easily, but remember, each transaction you make costs gas in order to be executed. You can trade ETH for USDC, for example, then trade that USDC for sushi if you so choose, which can be staked on SushiSwap to earn yield. Of course, you can just trade ETH for sushi without using USDC, but I just wanted to give you an example of the different possibilities here. We'll get into staking in the next episode, so don't worry about that yet. You can compare prices for swaps between any of these exchange sites since they offer slightly different rates at any given time. But I would say in my experience, I use Uniswap or SushiSwap 99% of the time. The cool thing about the platform that I mentioned earlier, Zapper Finance, is that it will automatically choose the best route for your exchange to happen and find the best rate for you. So I often use that to exchange coins as well. Now that you know how to set up your wallet and trade coins, which coins are you most interested in? Let me know down below in the comments, and I'll see you in the next episode.